Creating an S-curve in Microsoft Project helps visualize project progress over time, showing how planned work compares to actual work. Here's how to create an S-curve. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project, start the application and open the project file. Set up the data, enter tasks and progress. Ensure that all tasks are entered and progress is updated in your project. This data will be used to create the S-curve. Access the Tracking Gantt view. Go to Tracking Gantt. Switch to the Tracking Gantt view by selecting View, Tracking Gantt. This view allows you to see baseline data alongside actual progress. Create a baseline. Set a baseline. Go to Project, Set Baseline, Set Baseline. This captures the initial plan against which you will compare actual progress. Generate the S-curve. Use Excel for visualization. Microsoft Project does not directly create S-curves, so you need to export data to Excel. Go to Report, Dashboards, Export, Excel Workbook. Choose to export relevant fields like baseline and actual work. Create the S-curve in Excel. Open Excel. Import the exported data into Excel. Insert chart. Create an S-curve by selecting the baseline and actual progress data. Go to Insert, Chart and choose Line Chart or Area Chart. Format the chart to clearly show the S-curve representing cumulative planned versus actual work.